To double the profit from the present 10%, the present selling price of rupees 100 will have to be increased approximately. Now, the formula for profit percentage is profit upon cost price into 100. Now, currently it is 10%. So profit upon cost price into 100, it is given to us as 10. So we can say that profit upon cost price is equal to 10 upon 100, or we can say 1 upon 10. Now, profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. So we have selling price minus cost price upon cost price is equal to 1 upon 10. If we cross multiply, we have it here 10 multiplied by selling price. Now selling price is also given to us, that is 100 minus 10 into cost price is equal to cost price. So we have here 1000 is equal to 11 into cost price. So cost price is 1000 upon 11. Now the question asked is, we want the profit to be doubled, profit percentage to be doubled. Now when we say profit percentage needs to be doubled, it basically means that profit needs to be doubled as well. Okay. So now if we calculate 1000 upon 11, it comes out to be around 90.90. And the selling price is 100 rupees. So that means we can say that the current profit is approximately 9 rupees. We want it to be doubled. So therefore, the new profit must be 9 into 2, that is 18. So that means the selling price should increase by 9. So new selling price will be 100 plus 9, that is 109.